This is the Algo Futures Trader Weekly Market Roundup, and it is June 5th here. You can see the breakout template here. It's Sunday evening. Not a whole lot of movement so far Sunday evening here. Looks like the NASDAQ here on your bottom right, just starting to break outside of this no trade zone. That's that shaded blue area here. Just starting to move out of there. You see Russell is still trading inside that no trade zone. S&P just starting to break out of the top end of the range. Same with your Dow here. So not a lot happening so far Sunday evening, but what I wanted to show you, we do keep stats on the this breakout strategy and some other things, some variants, but so that you can see, you know, kind of the baseline of the system. If you have the AFT, you can come to the stats page here if you're logged in, and you can look at some of the baseline. This is the daily session FibGrid. This is the breakout trader, that template that I just showed you. That comes right out of the box, ready to go, and the different markets that you can check there. But if you don't have AFT, you can also check for free, and the links are below, our Discord server. If you scroll down in our Discord server here, down to the trade floor here, one of the links here is trading stats, and if you click on that, this is updated periodically, and we'll keep stats so you can see these numbers. But what you can do with these, so here's like the DAX. This is a live real money account equity curve of the DAX. But the one I wanted to show you here is, I believe this is the gap. That's got a filter on. I want to show you the one without the filter here. And I believe this is it. So this is the baseline stat. So if you just turned the system on, fully automated, let it trade all by itself, no interference, trade through Fed announcements, everything else, this is what the numbers look like. So we try to provide a baseline series of data so that when you add filters like our gap filter or trend strength or and so on, some of these other filters, you can see if they improve the performance or the baseline. You'd be better off just trading with the baseline. But one of the things you can use this for as well is, you see obviously the it's color coded here, depending on the market. So your M2K here is this kind of light blue line here. The darker blue is your Dow. Well, you can see the Dow was outperforming. If you go back to November, December, and into January, it paid to focus more on the Dow. And then you had a period here where the S&P had a good couple of weeks, and then as the S&P drew down and the Dow drew down, look at the red line here, which was our NASDAQ, right? So the NASDAQ really started to outperform. This is going back into February. So maybe you're starting to focus more on the NASDAQ, right? And then next to that, you see this is the Dow here, right? Your M2K and the ES, right? Kind of the laggard. So maybe you're focusing, and then as these things cross, so you see here the Dow has crossed above the M2K, and so maybe you're going to focus more. Maybe the M2K is going to draw down, and the Dow is going to have a good cycle of profits coming through. So this is just something you can look at just to see which markets are outperforming the others, and maybe you're going to focus more on trading those markets during those periods. But that can be a good little guide. Well, I hope that's helpful, and all the links below, so you can download the software again for free. You can use it as long as you want. There's no time limit on it in sim mode, so that you can explore the software, see if this is going to be something that's of benefit to you. We got a lot of stuff planned that's coming out just around the corner, but you can use this all for free. Join the Discord server. We have a little trade room. We just try to pick a direction in the morning, pick a market that we think is going to break out and get some follow through, and you can just come to the trading floor, AFT Trader John here, and we have our little session in the morning, and I project the charts and everything, and show you the trade setups and everything. So hope that's helpful. We'll do it all again next week.